So I'm going to play speed stacks. So that part one I said I will not play speed stacks, right? So today I will play, or this is a part two, right? This is a part two. So I am the slowest. I am the slowest in the speed stack at school. So focus for me. Focus back. Me. Okay. Me. And what is the time? What's the time? 13. What? 13.5. 13.5 seconds. So you see, I'm the slowest. So I said can you can buy online speed stacks too. So go to www.speedstacks.com. So I'm sorry if I'm not ready. Bye.